Hello everyone. For the repair now we have this Samsung phone. Model number is a716U. That's what I see in this right here. So the phone, as you see, it has a water damage. You can see that water indicator is red. Doesn't turn on, doesn't show nothing on the screen, and there is a surge in the charger. So let's watch here. When I plug the charger, I see the smokes coming out from. Yep, I see the number here. It jumped to the 3 amp. So I did clean the charging port a little bit with alcohol, and I disconnect one pin inside the charging port. I'm gonna show you when I take this board apart. Now the phone is charging and it turns on, but I'm still going to change the charging port because it looks bad inside and the corrosion and all that. This better we change it. So for you to change the charging port is easy. You can replace the whole board. This one here, it has the charging port, headphone jack, microphone, and there is the LCD connector. And here you can see this is the where the smokes come from. Is here you can see there is some burning plastic. Yeah, there's some burning plastic here. So I'm going to remove the charging port. So I do have this charging port, and the customer, they want the phone as soon as possible, so I'm going to change just this one, and we make the phone back to work. Here, this is the charging port. Yep, that's the right one. So let's remove this one. We clean the place and we put the new charger. So let's look at it at the microscope just to see the bits clear. I put the board and let's plug it to the charge. The phone is taking 8 volt and 1.6 amp, so that's the fast charging option is on, and we'll put it together.
Because we have instant reply, so you don't want instant reply, right?
Yeah, I put the phone together and it's charging. Say take 8 volt, 1.6 amp. So the no power problem, it was linked to the water damage causing the short in the charging port, and replaced the charge port, the phone back to work again. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next one.